Note-taking magic. Master listening tasks in BEC Preliminary. Hey, language learners! Today, we'll dive deep into the world of note-taking during listening tasks for the B1 Business Preliminary, BEC Preliminary, exam. It's a vital skill that can truly make a difference in your performance. Remember, good listening is active, not passive. So, let's get started. While you might have an excellent memory, the active note-taking helps you concentrate and processes information better. In the context of the BEC Preliminary listening tasks. 1. It ensures accuracy. Your brain can sometimes mix details. Writing helps to keep facts straight. 2. It aids recall. Just the act of writing can reinforce what you've heard. 3. It's an efficient way to review. Post-listening, you can quickly glance over your notes to cross-check answers. 1. Use symbols and abbreviations. Instead of writing full words, use symbols and abbreviations. E.g., B, C, for because, and, for and, etc. This saves time and keeps you agile during the test. 2. Focus on keywords. Listen out for names, dates, numbers, and specific details. These often hold the core message. 3. Use bullet points. They are quick to jot down and organize your information hierarchically. 4. Avoid full sentences. This isn't an essay. You only need enough to jog your memory. The best way to hone your note-taking skill is through practice. Here's how. 1. Start with short audio clips. Begin with 1 to 2 minute clips and gradually move to longer ones. 2. Review and refine. After listening, review your notes and compare them with the transcript. Identify areas of improvement. 3. Time yourself. This adds an element of exam pressure and helps you get a sense of pacing. 1. Trying to write everything. This will distract you from active listening. Focus on the main points. 2. Getting stuck on unfamiliar words. If you miss a word, move on. Trying to figure it out might make you miss the next few lines. 3. Not preparing. Familiarize yourself with common terms and concepts related to the business context. This makes comprehension smoother. There you have it. Note-taking is both an art and a science. With consistent practice and the right strategies, you'll be on your way to acing the listening tasks in the BEC Preliminary exam. Remember, it's not about writing the most, but about writing what matters most. Keep practicing, and best of luck with your exam preparations.